Good day everyone. Ito pala yung proven and tested quality M Global product na My Choco Alkaline Chocolate Drink. Ipapakita ko dito ang mga benefits. Ano talaga maibibigay nito para sa kalusugan ng bawat isa sa atin. Kaya paborito ko talaga ito. Iniinom ko talaga ito araw-araw. So, My Choco is made of premium cocoa blend fortified with 16,000 phytonutrients from complete phytoenergizer plus phytoalkaline powder and DHA powder. So, ito yon. Okay? So, tested and proven talaga ito na nakakatulong sa kaayusan ng kalusugan ng isang tao. So, ito yung kanyang health benefits, guys. Reduces stress levels and improves calmness. Helps balances the body's natural pH level. Lowers cholesterol level. Protects against heart disease and complications. Help prevents cancer of any origin. Controls high blood pressure. Prevents degenerative diseases such as arthritis and rheumatism. Reduces the risk of developing diabetes, prevents Parkinson's disease, enhances, nourishes, strengthens, and balances the immune system, detoxifies the body, enhances sexual vitality, rejuvenates the skin, improves performance and endurance during exercise, enhances memory, concentration, and focus, promotes healthy blood circulation and cell regeneration, increases sperm motility, reduces fatigue, heightens alertness, and relieves headache. So, yan mga kaibigan ang technical benefits talaga ng My Choco. Na talagang yan ang pinakita ng mga medical experts nung pag-aralan na itong My Choco. So, guys, kaya ko pinipresent sa inyo ang My Choco Alkaline Chocolate Drink kasi makakatulong ito sa kalusugan nyo. Gusto ko lang talaga matulungan kayo, makita nyo na napakaganda ng produktong ito ng Alliance in Motion Global. Ngayon po, ang Alliance in Motion Global ay nag-upgrade na sa Alliance in Motion Global Group of Companies. Marami po talaga mga produkto dito na kung interesado ka po mga kaibigan, just call me or just contact me sa aking Facebook account, Nald Cascaro. God bless everyone!